You're welcome.
What's your telephone number again, Marianne?
209-224-7829.
Wow, cute.
So cute.
Every color of the clothes.
That's from Miss Rose.
That's for me.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Cynthia, Brother Henny.
Sister Cynthia, Brother Henning.
I'll help you.
Busy. Pindot. Busy ka.
Mag-work pa yata si Pastor.
Bayong.
Work ka.
Ako din, sister. Pinayong ko ng akin eh.
Saan na si Mia? Birthday ni bukas.
Sister Cynthia.
Hindi nga sa shower sa amin.
Storm na.
All baby pictures.
Oh,
baby pictures.
that's a really good idea. Thank you so much.
Digital photo frame.
I will help you.
Kasya. Nakuhol na yata yung sister.
Inano mo naman mabuti.
Yun na lang yung dalawa. Ayun na. Yan na lang.
Ay, sayang.
Tinali mong mabuti. Hindi mahirap mag-alis. Sister Narcisa.
Tatlong ano yung baby hangka.
Thank you, Sister Larissa.
Lalagyan ko ng... Yan.
Very good dexterity. You get practice a lot at work.
Nice.
Oh, sige. Nahul happy naman.
Yes, sister. Do not flash.
Do not flash. Ano yun?
Thank you, Pastor.
Sister Beth.
Pastor and Sister Beth. Card.
You're welcome.
Jeremy.
Nice. Oh.
Last one. Yan lang ano, para mapicturean natin mamaya. Yan.
Do we still have time?
Yeah, we make it time. Nalapit na, isa na lang. Kanina yan? For Sister Monina and Brother Manuel. Oh. Okay.
Thank you so much, everybody.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone.
Have you? Happy baby shower to your baby. What's your name?
Mia Rose.
Mia Rose. Welcome, Mia Rose.